aboard a United States aircraft carrier somewhere at sea. Army P-40s, Tomahawks, or Kitty Hawks, the British call them, are now ferried to within flying range of their new bases, all ready for action. Army pilots who'll take them ashore get last-minute instructions. Wheeled to the flight deck, the speedy fighters are ready for the takeoff. Part way by carrier, then the pilots deliver them the rest of the way. Getting them into the air requires real flying skill. Full cooperation between the armed forces. Navy carriers speeding Army planes and pilots to United Nations bases overseas.